Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Puneet Bhardwaj from TriSpark and we are here at MG's first digital showroom getting opened in Bengaluru, Karnataka. We are here to find out more details of the showroom. Let's get started. Now this is how the new digital showroom looks like. You can see that there are multiple screens placed across the showroom to have an interactive and immersive experience of the showroom. Once you enter the showroom, you have a couple of screens to explore the MG Hector before you go ahead and make a purchase decision. Right here is the first stage where you click on this button and you register yourself in the showroom's database. This will help yourself and the showroom to know if the customer has come in before. So in this screen you will also get to know the preference of your driving and how you intend to use your MG Hector assisted. The AI assisted screen will prompt you to choose the right Hector based on your usage. Once you finish the registration details, you will be moving on to the second stage, that is the main part of the interactive and the digital showroom. That's to explore the features of MG Hector. Now the setup, what you see here in front of you, has two screens. One layout, the big screen, wall screen layout, which is there in front of the table, and the second one is an interactive touchscreen display that is placed on the table, including the color palettes that you see right here. Now these color palettes, you can just touch on them and the color of the car changes and will be displayed on the screen which is in front of this table. Now once you're on the second stage of exploring the MG Hector, you can see that there's a huge display with all the features of the MG Hector neatly laid out, and clicking on it, let's say safety, interiors and the exteriors of the MG Hector placed right here on the screen. You can choose from colors, lights and all other features which are there on the MG Hector. Let's say for example you want to see the lights of the MG Hector, you can click on it and you can see the lights being displayed right here. And also, let's say you want to explore more options on the exteriors of the MG Hector, you can click on the multiple options that you see here. Once you click on an alloy option, a short introduction video will be presented to you on the wall and the information about the alloys of the MG Hector. Clicking on an engine option will bring up different engine options that are available through the MG Hector SUV. You can see that the power and torque figures and the engine options are neatly laid out on the screen in front of you. You can have a quick look and a glance about all the engine options. Moving on to the interiors of the MG Hector, once you click on the interior button on the screen, you'll be presented with multiple options of the interiors of MG Hector. Once you click on the touchscreen infotainment display, you'll be presented with the infotainment display stacked vertically on the MG Hector with a short introduction about what the infotainment system is all about. To further explore the interior features, you can go ahead and choose multiple options presented there. Now let's say you want to see the instrument cluster. Once you click on the button, a short introduction about the instrument cluster, audio of the instrument cluster introduction will be presented to you on the screen in front of you as well. Now this will help people to explore more interior features in detail with in a unique way rather than the conventional way of physically seeing these features. Moving on to the safety of the MG Hector, once you click on the safety button option right there, you'll be presented with multiple options of the different safety equipment that is present in the MG Hector. Now what you can do is you can press on the 360-degree camera that is present in the Hector. Once you click on it, again, a short introduction about the 360-degree camera is presented to you on the wall of screen behind. Once you explore the safety features, you can move on to the iSmart technology that is present in the MG Hector. Now, this is AI-assisted iSmart technology that features internet connectivity on the SUV. Now you have different options present here, that is geofencing and remote vehicle control, voice assistant, smart drive, etc. This can all be controlled through a smartphone application as well. And once you click on different options right here to explore more, again, the same short introduction of the feature will be presented to you on the screen. Now you can see here that Find My Car option has a smartphone application being displayed to let you know how to find out the car. We move on to the final stage towards choosing your MG Hector. Now what we see here is a screen, interactive screen again, which will help you compare the Hector SUV's rivals in the Indian market. Now you have two options here. One is Play Team Hector, basically a couple of questions to know how well you know and how well have you explored the MG Hector in the second stage, and also another option where you can see there is a Compare Hector, where it will compare a list of SUVs that are present in the Indian market which are rivaling against the MG Hector. To give you a look of how the questions look like, I'm clicking on the Play Team Hector button. Once I do that, again, you'll have what kind of sunroof does MG Hector have, these kind of questions that will be presented to you over a course of this particular game. Now what you do is you can click on reset and get back to the home screen, and you can come back to the home screen and click on the Compare Hector option right there. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a couple of rivals, that is Tata Harrier, XUV 500 and the Jeep Compass. Now you can see at the left hand of the screen that a couple of features that are advantage over its rivals of the MG Hector SUV. You can see that it is neatly laid out, and you can further explore by clicking on variant comparison as well. Now you can see that it has all the listed features, including the iSmart connectivity, that's internet connected features. We move on to another section of the showroom where interior and exterior accessories are displayed for the MG Hector to personalize your SUV. With that, you have a couple of chrome trims right here that can be placed across the MG Hector SUV. For example, you have chrome handles and chrome strips that go on the boot lid, and also you have goodies that can be purchased for MG Hector, and also you have door scuff plates that has Morris Garages embossed. With that, you also have a phone holder probably that can be placed on the dashboard where you can secure your phone, and also some of the chrome bits that can be placed again across the MG Hector SUV to personalize your Hector. Now these are all the details about the new digital showroom from MG, launched in Bengaluru at Residency Road. Again, it's one of a kind showroom with no physical car inside it, so definitely it's one of a kind experience exploring the product that MG is offering. Thank you for joining me at the MG Motor Digital Showroom event. This is me signing off. Like, share and subscribe our videos, and stay tuned for more such videos on our channel. Thank you.